Are you looking for the best drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ryze Tello Drone. The Ryze Tello is not only an affordable option but also offers significant educational value, making it an ideal choice for learners and enthusiasts alike. The Tello drone is designed to be beginner-friendly and programmable, thanks to its integration with the Scratch coding system, a visual programming language developed by MIT. This feature allows users to learn the basics of coding while enjoying a fun and engaging flying experience. The Tello can also be programmed using more advanced languages like Python, making it suitable for users with varying programming skill levels. Its 5-megapixel camera captures 720p HD video, providing clear and detailed images that exceed expectations for a drone in this price range. The camera's 82.6-degree field of view allows for wide shots, while its electronic image stabilization ensures smooth and stable footage. The Tello has a good flight time of 13 minutes and a range of 100 meters. This drone delivers a fantastic flying experience for its price. The Tello is equipped with several intelligent flight modes, such as throw and go, 8D, flips, and bounce mode, making flying even more enjoyable. These modes offer a unique flying experience and help improve the user's piloting skills. In addition, the Tello's vision positioning system uses a downward-facing camera to provide precise hovering, even without GPS. The drone's lightweight design, weighing only 80 grams, makes it easy to carry and maneuver. Its durable construction, along with the propeller guards, ensures that it can withstand minor crashes and impacts, which is crucial for beginners who may experience a few mishaps along the way. This is one of the cheapest drones on this list, but its camera quality is very good. Watch the video below and see for yourself. Read my full review of the Tello drone here. Number 2. Syma X500. The Syma X500 is an excellent choice for those seeking an easy-to-use, feature-rich drone under $200. Its 1080p HD camera captures stunning aerial footage, while the 120-degree wide-angle lens allows for expansive shots that showcase more details in every shot. The X500 is designed for beginners and features GPS-assisted flight modes, such as Follow Me and Waypoint, making it easy to navigate and control. Its one-key takeoff/landing and headless mode simplify the flying experience, making it a great option for beginners and experienced pilots alike. The Syma X500 has a flight time of around 20 minutes and a range of 350 meters. The X500 offers an impressive set of features for a cheap drone. The drone's foldable design makes it highly portable, allowing you to easily pack it in a backpack or carry-on luggage for your next adventure. In addition to its user-friendly features, the X500 also comes with intelligent flight modes such as orbit and gesture control. These modes allow for creative shots and add more fun to the flying experience. Furthermore, the X500's GPS features, including auto return home and low battery alarm, provide added safety and peace of mind during flights. Number 3. Contixo F31. The Contixo F31 is a versatile drone designed to provide an excellent flying experience for users of all skill levels. With a 4K camera, the F31 captures nice aerial footage, while its adjustable lens allows you to capture the perfect shot from various angles. Equipped with a GPS module, the F31 is an advanced drone that comes with intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint. These features make it an excellent choice for users looking to capture dynamic shots and explore their surroundings from the air. With a flight time of up to 25 minutes and a video transmission range of 300 meters, the F31 is a great drone at an affordable price. The F31's foldable design and included carrying case make it highly portable and convenient for travel, while its brushless motors provide a quiet and efficient flight experience. In addition to its impressive camera and GPS features, the F31 also offers gesture control mode and one-button takeoff and landing. These modes allow for creative shots and add more fun to the flying experience. Finally, the F31 has a low battery return-to-home function, and its controller has an LCD screen that displays important flight data. Overall, a decent drone for under $200. Number 4. Contixo F22. The Contixo F22 is a compact and portable drone, perfect for users who are always on the go. Its foldable design and included carrying case make it easy to transport, allowing you to bring it along on any adventure. With an HD camera, the F22 captures very good aerial footage for its price. The F22 is one of the cheapest GPS drones for under $200 and comes with some fun features such as follow me and waypoint modes. With a flight time of 20 minutes and a video transmission range of 220 meters, the F22 offers decent features for a drone under $200. The drone's lightweight design, weighing only 250 grams, makes it easy to carry and maneuver. In addition to its compact design and impressive camera, the F22 also offers intelligent flight modes such as gesture control and custom flight path. These smart flight modes are fun to fly and make it easier to capture cool videos and photos. Number 5. Holy Stone HS710. The Holy Stone HS710 drone is a high-tech and affordable quadcopter designed for beginners and drone enthusiasts. This drone features a 4K camera with 5G FPV transmission, which captures great video footage and ensures smooth image transmission. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens and remote-controlled 90 degrees adjustable structure broaden your view, making it perfect for capturing those wonderful moments. One of the best features of the Holy Stone HS710 drone is its intelligent flight functions. With GPS technology, this drone has autonomous flying modes such as follow me, waypoint and point of interest, enabling it to fly automatically, making it easier to operate. This also allows users to capture some dynamic video footage. The drone is fun to fly, with altitude hold keeping the drone hovering in the air even when you let go of the control sticks and an automatic return to home feature ensuring that you don't lose your drone. The drone also features GPS and GLONASS dual global positioning system and optical flow positioning, making it stable both indoors and outdoors. The Holy Stone HS710 drone features an intelligent battery that provides a flight time of roughly 25 minutes. Its lightweight and foldable design is great for taking with you on your travels. Overall, this is a good affordable drone that is suitable for beginners. Number 6. Potensic T25. The Potensic T25 is a feature-packed drone that offers a range of fun options for users seeking a drone under $200. Its 1080p HD camera allows you to capture nice aerial footage, while the 120-degree wide-angle lens allows for better viewing angles. The T25 is designed to be user-friendly and features a GPS module, intelligent flight modes such as follow me and waypoints, and orbit, making it fun and easy to fly and control. Its one-button takeoff/landing and headless mode make it easier to fly, making it a great option for beginners. The drone also comes with a low battery return-to-home feature, which will minimize the risk of losing the drone and comes with an extra battery to extend the flight time. The drone has a flight time of up to 10 minutes and a range of 300 meters. The T25 isn't as impressive on this front as some of the other drones on this list. Number 7. Holy Stone HS100. The Holy Stone HS100 is a good drone that comes with advanced features such as GPS positioning, headless mode, altitude hold, one-key takeoff/landing, and follow me mode. The HS100 has an impressive flight time of up to 18 minutes on a single charge and a transmission range of 600 meters. The drone also comes equipped with an adjustable wide-angle camera capable of capturing decent images at resolutions of up to 1080p. This drone is perfect for those who want a versatile, easy-to-use drone with excellent camera capabilities. The Holy Stone HS100 is a reliable and sturdy drone that can handle most flying conditions, making it an excellent buy for hobbyists or professionals.